Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super handy for 2025. How to make your phone flash when you get a notification. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, this feature can help you stay alerted even if your phone is on silent or tucked away in your bag. It's a game changer for busy days, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First off, let's talk about why this is worth setting up. Flashing notifications use your phone's camera flash or screen to visually alert you, which is perfect for those with hearing impairments or anyone who wants a discrete notification system. Now, the steps might vary slightly depending on your phone's model and OS version, but I'll cover the most common ones. Starting with Android devices, which make up a big chunk of phones out there. Open your Settings app. That's the gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Look for Advanced or Interaction and Dexterity, and then find Flash Notifications or LED Flash for notifications. Toggle it on, and you might see options to customize for calls, messages, or all notifications. Test it out by sending yourself a message. Your camera flash should light up. If you're on an iPhone running iOS 18 or later, assuming we're in 2025 territory, head to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Go to Audio, Visual, and look for LED Flash for alerts. Turn it on, and you can even choose to enable it for the lock screen or when the phone is silenced. Again, test it with a notification to make sure it's working. A few quick tips. Make sure your phone's flash is functional. If it's an older model, this might not work. Also, battery life could be slightly affected, so keep an eye on that. And remember, privacy settings might block this on some devices, so double-check your permissions. There you have it. You're all set to rock those flashing notifications in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.